Effective home remedy for skin tightening. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, thanks. As we grow old, our skin starts to show signs of aging. It starts losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Sagging of skin is a natural process and is irreversible, but it can be reduced and delayed. Often, people opt for cosmetic surgeries that are very costly and have side effects. Fortunately, there are some home remedies to tighten skin. They are simple and easy and also work effectively to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Home remedies for skin tightening. You will need virgin coconut oil. What you have to do. 1. Massage the oil in upward circular motions on the affected area. 2. Keep massaging for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Leave the oil on overnight. How often you should do this? Do this every night before going to bed. Why this works? Coconut oil penetrates into deeper layers of the skin and rejuvenates the skin cells. It keeps the skin hydrated and nourished. Its antioxidants eliminate free radicals that are damaging your skin and speeding up the aging process.